This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. 4-bed 2.5-bath colonial on 1.29+ / acre lot. Full basement, stainless kitchen appliance package, granite counters and luxury vinyl plank flooring on main level, baths and laundry room. Carpeted bedrooms make this home cozy and complete. Full unfinished basement with rough-in bath for future expansion. Wooded setting and close to amenities. Truly a great value in this hot market while rates are still historically low. Avon Bend Community River lot is close for access to the Shenandoah River. Ready to occupy early 2022. Builder has made all selections and pictures represent similar finishes. For more information, review the details below or contact